Hey guys, are you afraid to visit Darjeeling in winter months due to cold? Don't be, because in cold winter months Darjeeling is beautiful, fantastic. You can see the lush green hills and clear blue sky with white clouds, and moreover you can watch the mighty Kanchenjunga and other snow peaks from Mall or any other coffee shops or restaurant, sipping a hot coffee or hot chocolate. So don't miss the chance. You can visit Darjeeling in winter months also, and you can enjoy really. So in this video, I have captured the few moments in winter. You can see the lush greenery, but a word of caution: weather may change suddenly in winter months in Darjeeling. See, it's sometimes cloudy and also foggy, though it gives another charm to the hill view of the hills. So don't be afraid to come in winter months in Darjeeling. Enjoy the Darjeeling. In each season, Darjeeling is beautiful.